Hello guys, welcome back to Friends from Yes Kitchenette. Today in this video we'll show you how to make cucumber juice at home in just few minutes using fresh ingredients and zero fuss. So let's move to the ingredients. So these are the ingredients which we need to prepare the cucumber juice. So the first ingredient is cucumber. Here we have taken 5 cucumbers. Then we may require ginger. Then we may require 1 lemon, some Mexican mint, cumin seeds, pink salt, and some curry leaves. So the first step is to peel out the skin of the cucumber. Some of the benefits of cucumber are that they keep you hydrated, supports healthy skin, aids digestion and detox, and low in calorie but high in freshness. So now we have peeled all the 5 cucumbers. Now the next step is to cut them into pieces and put it into our blender. Cut it into small pieces so that all the cucumber can fit into the blender and can blend faster. Make sure to cut your lemon into 2 halves. Now let's add ginger into our blender and some cumin seeds, curry leaves, and our Mexican mint. Now let's squeeze the lemon over our cucumber. Next, let's take our coriander leaves and add it over the cucumber and some salt for taste. After blending it, let's take a glass and fill it with ice and let's strain our drink into the glass. If you want to increase the consistency of the juice, you can add some water into the blender and blend it. So now we have prepared our cucumber juice. So this was a simple recipe of preparing a refreshing cucumber juice packed with nutrients, perfect for glowing skin, detoxing and staying energized. It's ideal for summer days, post-workout hydration or a beauty boosting morning drink. Make sure to try this recipe at your home and send your feedback on this refreshing energy drink. Stay tuned for my next video. Till then, bye.